Deep in the heart of Pakistan, nestled within the vast Punjab province, lies the town of Samasatta. This small town, often overlooked by travelers and mapmakers alike, holds a unique charm that is waiting to be discovered. It is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, offering a glimpse into a way of life that has endured for centuries. This small town, home to thousands, is easy to miss on a map. Yet, for those who venture off the beaten path, Samasatta reveals itself as a treasure trove of history and culture. The town's narrow streets and ancient buildings tell stories of a bygone era, while its vibrant community breathes life into the arid landscape. But those who seek it out will discover a place of quiet beauty and fascinating history. The town's architecture, a blend of traditional and colonial styles, stands as a testament to its rich heritage. Walking through Samasatta, one can't help but feel a sense of connection to the past, as if the very walls of the buildings are whispering tales of old. Samasatta is a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered. Its charm lies not only in its historical significance, but also in the warmth and hospitality of its people. Visitors are often greeted with open arms and friendly smiles, making them feel at home in this remote corner of the world. Samasatta is a place of stark contrast. The harshness of the desert landscape is softened by the lush greenery of the town's gardens and orchards. This juxtaposition creates a unique and captivating environment that is both harsh and beautiful. The land is dry, baked by the relentless sun. The desert stretches out in all directions, a vast expanse of sand and rock. Yet, despite the harsh conditions, life thrives here in unexpected ways. Yet, life finds a way. Hardy plants cling to the earth, offering splashes of color against the dusty ground. These resilient flora are a testament to the tenacity of life in the desert, adding a touch of vibrancy to the otherwise monochromatic landscape. And the people, known for their resilience and warmth, bring life and vibrancy to this desert town. Their traditions and customs, passed down through generations, are an integral part of Samasatta's identity. The community's spirit of togetherness and mutual support is evident in every interaction, making visitors feel like they are part of something special. Samasatta may be small, but its story is grand. The town's history is rich with tales of bravery, resilience, and cultural fusion. From ancient trade routes to colonial influences, Samasatta has been a melting pot of cultures and traditions, each leaving its mark on the town's character. It's a story woven into the very fabric of Pakistan, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. The town's artisans continue to practice traditional crafts, preserving techniques that have been handed down through the ages. These crafts are not just a means of livelihood, but also a way of keeping the town's heritage alive. Come, let us explore this hidden gem and uncover its secrets. Samasatta invites you to experience its unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, this desert jewel has something to offer everyone. Samasatta's story is intertwined with the arrival of the railway in the late 19th century. The British, then rulers of India, recognized the strategic importance of this dusty town. They saw its potential as a vital link in their vast railway network, and so the railway arrived in Samasatta, forever changing the town's destiny. The once quiet settlement was transformed into a bustling hub. Tracks spread out like iron ribbons, connecting Samasatta to the wider world. This new connection breathed life into Samasatta's economy. Goods flowed in and out, connecting the town to markets far and wide. People, too, began to flow through Samasatta, bringing with them new ideas and perspectives. The railway had made Samasatta a crossroads, a meeting point of cultures and commerce. Samasatta lies within the Cholistan desert, a land of stark beauty and unforgiving extremes. The sun beats down relentlessly, baking the earth and pushing temperatures to soaring heights during the summer months. The land is parched, thirsty for the rain that falls all too rarely. Yet life persists. Hardy shrubs and grasses, adapted to survive in this harsh environment, dot the landscape. Their deep roots seek out precious moisture hidden deep within the earth. These plants, small and seemingly insignificant, are a testament to the power of life to adapt and thrive even in the most challenging of environments. When the sun dips below the horizon, the desert reveals another side to its personality. The air cools rapidly, bringing relief from the scorching heat of the day. Under a blanket of stars, the desert transforms into a place of serene beauty. Amidst the arid expanse surrounding Samasatta, a swathe of green offers a welcome respite. This verdant patch, seemingly out of place in the vast desert, is a beacon of hope and a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The contrast between the barren, sandy landscape and the lush greenery is striking, almost surreal. It's as if nature itself has carved out a sanctuary, a place where life can thrive against all odds. This is the Bahawalpur Plantation Reserve Forest, a testament to the human spirit's ability to nurture life even in the most challenging environments. Spanning over thousands of acres, this forest is not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing entity that supports a diverse ecosystem. The forest stands as a green jewel in the heart of the desert, a place where flora and fauna coexist in harmony. Established in the early 20th century, the forest stands as a bulwark against the encroaching desert. The visionaries who planted the first saplings here could hardly have imagined the thriving ecosystem that would emerge. Their efforts were not just about planting trees, but about creating a sustainable environment that could withstand the harsh desert conditions. The historical photos and archival footage tell a story of determination, hard work, and an unwavering belief in the power of nature. Rows upon rows of carefully planted trees stretch towards the horizon, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze. These trees are not just a visual delight, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. They act as windbreakers, reducing soil erosion and helping to retain moisture in the ground. The sight of these trees standing tall and proud is a reminder of what can be achieved with a little care and a lot of determination. The air here is cooler, fresher, carrying the scent of pine and eucalyptus. It's a stark contrast to the dry, hot air of the surrounding desert. The forest creates its own microclimate, providing a haven for both people and wildlife. Walking through the forest, one can feel the temperature drop, the air becoming more humid and refreshing. It's a sensory experience that rejuvenates the body and soul. The forest is a haven for wildlife, offering shelter and sustenance to a variety of creatures. From small insects to larger mammals, the forest supports a rich biodiversity. Birds of various species can be seen flitting between the trees, their songs adding to the symphony of nature. The forest floor is alive with the rustling of small animals, each playing its part in the intricate web of life. Deer graze peacefully beneath the trees while birdsong fills the air. These scenes of tranquility are a testament to the success of the forest as a habitat. The presence of these animals indicates a healthy, thriving ecosystem. The deer, with their graceful movements, and the birds, with their melodious tunes, create a serene and harmonious environment. The Bahawalpur Plantation Reserve Forest is a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life can flourish with a little care and determination. It stands as a symbol of hope and resilience, showing that with the right efforts we can create green oases in the most unlikely places. The forest is a living example of how human intervention, when done thoughtfully and sustainably, can lead to the creation of thriving ecosystems. It is a testament to the power of humans to be stewards of the natural world, even in the face of adversity. The efforts of those who have worked tirelessly to plant and nurture these trees have not only transformed the landscape, but have also created a legacy for future generations. The Bahawalpur Plantation Reserve Forest is a shining example of what can be achieved when we work in harmony with nature, and it serves as an inspiration for conservation efforts around the world. The railway, once the lifeblood of Samasatta, fell into disrepair in the latter part of the 20th century. This once bustling line, which connected communities and facilitated trade, slowly succumbed to the ravages of time and neglect. The tracks, which had seen countless journeys, began to rust and decay, and the stations that had once been hubs of activity turned into ghostly remnants of their former selves. Tracks rusted, stations crumbled, and the once regular rumble of trains became a distant memory. The silence that replaced the rhythmic clatter of wheels on tracks was a stark reminder of the decline. The local economy, which had thrived on the connectivity provided by the railway, began to suffer. Businesses closed and opportunities dwindled, leaving the community in a state of stagnation. But the spirit of progress is not easily extinguished. Despite the challenges, the people of Samasatta held on to hope. They believed that the railway could be revived, that it could once again become a vital artery of transportation and commerce. This belief sparked a movement, a collective effort to breathe new life into the old tracks and stations. In recent years, there has been a renewed push to revitalize this vital transportation artery. Government initiatives, private investments, and community support have converged to make this dream a reality. The restoration project is not just about repairing tracks and stations. It's about restoring a sense of pride and purpose to the region. The Samasatta Bahawalnagar railway section, once on the verge of closure, is being given a new lease on life. This section, which had been a critical link in the railway network, is now the focus of extensive restoration efforts. Workers are diligently repairing and replacing the old, worn-out tracks, ensuring that they can once again support the weight and speed of modern trains. Crews work tirelessly to replace worn-out tracks, repair bridges and upgrade signalling systems. These upgrades are essential for ensuring the safety and efficiency of the railway. Modern signalling systems will allow for better coordination and control of train movements, reducing the risk of accidents and delays. The bridge repairs are equally crucial as they ensure that the railway can handle the increased traffic and weight of contemporary trains. This ambitious project is not just about restoring a mode of transportation, it's about reconnecting communities. The railway has always been more than just a means of travel. It has been a lifeline for the people of Samasatta. By restoring the railway, we are also restoring the connections between families, friends and businesses that rely on this vital link. It's about breathing new life into the local economy and providing opportunities for the people of Samasatta and the surrounding region. The revival of the railway is expected to boost local businesses, create jobs and attract investment. Markets near the railway stations are already seeing increased activity, and there is a renewed sense of optimism among the residents. The revival of the railway is a symbol of hope, a testament to the resilience and determination of the people. It shows that even in the face of adversity, progress is possible. The sight of newly restored tracks and the sound of trains once again travelling through the countryside are powerful reminders of what can be achieved when a community comes together with a shared vision. A testament to the belief that even in the face of adversity, progress is possible. The arrival of a train at a station, greeted by a gathering of the community and the excited waves of children, encapsulates the spirit of renewal and the promise of a brighter future. The railway is more than just tracks and trains. It is a symbol of hope, unity, and the enduring power of human determination.